What's up, YouTube? In this video I'll show you how to hold and shoot a Glock, and you'll see me take some shots with it.
A gun. So this is an AK-47. So what you want to do is this part of your hand is going to go up into here as high as you can, and then you're going to put your middle finger right under this trigger box, and then right there you can get a good grip. Hold it real tight, real snug, and then with this hand you're going to grip all these fingers. No, wait. Yeah, all these fingers are going to grip these fingers. And you're going to point your thumbs forward, like so. And you want to keep a little bent in the elbows. And squeeze your palms together. Like if you're holding something, how the fuck do you describe this? And yeah, you just want to point and shoot.